In the last exercise, we created a clustered column chart using Excel. And in this one, I just want to show you how you can change some of the options. Let's have a look at what the chart is showing us first of all. Can you see on quarter one, I've got 4 different columns, one for each type of cake, and so on for each of the quarters. Now, the trouble is with this type of chart is it's very difficult to see the overall sale for each quarter. So if I wanted to say, is quarter one better sales than quarter two, or is quarter three better sales than quarter four, it's not totally obvious. But we can easily change the chart type to make that happen. If you click onto a chart, it automatically opens up these 2 tabs at the top here, one called Chart Design and one called Format, which allows you to change all the options on the chart. And I'm going to go for the one called Chart Design. And then on the right hand side here, there's an option that says Change Chart Type. And when I click onto that, you get a choice of subtypes within each chart type. So we were on clustered column originally, and I'm going to move across to where it says stacked column. And then when I choose OK to that, you can see now it's stacking the different types of cake on top of each other. So I can see the total sales for quarter one is very slightly higher than the total sales for quarter two, and the total sales for quarter three is very slightly higher than the total sales for quarter four, and so on. The other thing you might want to do at this point is change the colour scheme. Can you see over on the left hand side here, there's a change colours option. And if I choose a different colour scheme, you can see it's updating each one. And actually you can just hover over them. You don't even have to click on them for it to change the colour scheme for you. And I'm going to end up choosing this purple one down the bottom here, I think. And that's about as difficult as it is to change the chart type. Come back to the next video and I will look at some different types of chart, like line charts and pie charts.